Have you ever had a brilliant idea for an app, but felt completely stuck because you couldn't actually build it? You sit down at a computer, ready to create, and immediately hit a wall because you don't know how to code. Historically, turning an idea into a working piece of software meant spending years learning complex programming languages. You had to memorize exact grammar, punctuation, and structures, what programmers call syntax, just to get a basic screen to load. But a new approach has emerged that bypasses that hurdle. It is called vibe coding, and it allows anyone to build custom apps and websites without writing a single line of manual code. Vibe coding is an AI-assisted method of software development. Instead of typing out complicated programming commands, you use plain, everyday English. You simply hold a conversation with an artificial intelligence tool, and it generates the software for you. Think of it like making a movie. You are no longer the construction worker hammering every nail into the set. Instead, you step into the role of the director. You manage a highly capable AI crew, giving clear instructions while they handle the heavy lifting. This means the main requirement for creating technology is no longer technical expertise. If you have a clear vision of what you want to build and the ability to explain it, you can create software. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you are a student preparing for finals week and you realize you need a very specific study tool, a custom flashcard application that includes a built-in focus timer. This diagram shows exactly how the vibe coding process begins. On the left side, we start with the first step, describing your idea. You simply type out a prompt detailing exactly what the app needs to do, as if you were texting a friend. Next comes the generation phase. The AI tools instantly translate your conversational instructions into complex, fully functional code behind the scenes, building out the structure of your app right in front of you. The final step is testing and refining. Let's say you look at the design and decide you want a purple background and round buttons. You just ask the AI to make those specific aesthetic changes. Rather than spending hours hunting through files to rewrite the code manually, the application updates as you speak. You refine your software through an ongoing, natural back-and-forth chat. App development has transformed from a tedious, rigid construction project into a fluid, real-time conversation. This makes turning a rough concept into a working prototype achievable for anyone in a matter of minutes. Now, while vibe coding is incredibly powerful, it is important to be realistic. This is a highly effective tool, but it is not infallible magic, and it comes with very real limitations. As we can see in this flowchart of a software system, AI-generated code carries specific risks. It can introduce unseen bugs, create security vulnerabilities, or rely on inefficient logic that breaks the system. Because of these risks, professional developers are certainly not being replaced. Experienced engineers are still absolutely required to design complex systems, ensure data security, and maintain large-scale applications. For beginners using these tools, this means you must prioritize careful testing. As the human stepping into the process, you have to review the work, pay close attention to the details, and verify everything before trusting it. It comes back to the idea of being a director. A good director doesn't trust their crew blindly and walk off the set. You must actively guide the process and inspect the output to ensure you actually get a functional, secure final product. This approach stretches far beyond students making study tools. Entrepreneurs are building startup prototypes, designers are creating interactive portfolios, and small business owners are generating custom inventory systems. We are seeing a practical shift in how technology is built. The most vital skill is no longer memorizing specific code syntax. Instead, the real value lies in mastering clear communication and careful problem-solving. Even experienced software engineers are enthusiastically adopting vibe coding. For them, it serves as a massive productivity booster, allowing them to eliminate repetitive daily tasks and work faster. Ultimately, vibe coding changes how software is built. Using plain English allows professionals to finish tasks in less time and lets beginners create apps without prior training, as long as human oversight remains part of the process. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more guides that make technology easy to understand. True innovation now depends on the partnership between human vision and AI execution, turning pure imagination into functional software.